everyone, this is Tara with Ariana Stark. This is another pickup pile reading. This is a timeless reading, so whenever you stumble upon it, have a look at it because the messages are just for you. Basically, this reading will cover what are the messages that your universe or the angels or your spirit guides and spirit animals want to convey to you at this point in time. Please keep in mind that this is a timeless reading, like I said. Also, we have two piles here, so maybe you can pause the video and reflect on whichever pile you are drawn to. This is pile A, which is a rose quartz, and this is pile B, which is a clear quartz. Base view who picked pile A, these are the messages for you. This is the rose quartz. As you know, the rose quartz is a crystal which helps in healing of the heart chakra, the Anahata chakra. So those of you who picked pile A, you need to do some healing with respect to your heart chakra. And besides, this can help in mend your relationships with your family members or with your loved ones. Even personal and professional relationships needs healing. The first card we have here is the Fool. So certainly, pile A, you're starting on a journey. This is a new beginning for you, and you have to take that leap of faith. You cannot be blinded by whatever others have in store for you or what the others want to convey to you. Basically, you should follow your heart and your intuition and move forward. Next, we have the card Death. Death talks about transformative experiences that are in store at this point in time. Certainly, this change may not be as easy to handle or may be creating a bit of a tumult in your life, but then you have to proceed and you have to move forward with the changes that are in store for you. For pile A, I'm also picking up that there could be emergency situations that you're dealing with. Maybe you have to act immediately. There are pressing matters which you have to deal with. The next card we have is listen to your intuitive feelings. This is Archangel Raphael. Archangel Raphael says that you need to follow your intuition with respect to whatever is coming forward, because sometimes we overlook whatever the intuition has to say. We are unmindful of whatever intuitively whatever we are listening to, we fail to pay heed to that. Maybe you are worrying about your health, then maybe you need to think another way of finding a solution to whatever your health problems are. The emotional feelings that are there, we should honor them. Maybe you can also speak to a healthcare or medical personnel if you are talking to, and he or she could help you out in the situation. Maybe he could give you the correct piece of advice with respect to your own health or maybe the health of a loved one. Basically, you need to make some healthcare changes, and you cannot fight these feelings, and you have to act upon them without delay. Besides, these are angelic guidance. From Archangel Michael, we have the card Guarded and Protected. Certainly, you're being guarded and protected and shielded in case you have those reservations. You're certainly going through a major life change, and maybe you're feeling vulnerable at times. But keep in mind that Archangel Michael is watching over you. He's like there protecting you and guiding you. Maybe you're a bit scared also, but then you should give and receive love if you have to, because we have also got the rose quartz. So the rose quartz, like I said, you need to unblock the heart chakra, and you have to attract love of every kind, whether it's self-love or familial love, friendships, and improve your own self-esteem, or even it helps to heal relationships. So in case you're in a romantic connection and you're scared about your feelings and all, then you should be aware that you're being guarded and protected, or you're being guided by Archangel Michael. Sometimes some of you may also be concerned with respect to a legal matter, or like I said, with respect to a health issue. So keep in mind that you're being guided suitably. We have the card Door Transition. Like I said, you're on a journey, and this is like you're opening the door and moving forward. Something is behind the door, and you have to peer and you have to move forward. You have to Open the door because there are new possibilities which are awakening before you or which are lying ahead of you. I also feel it's a major transitional phase, like I said, the transition or the change that comes about on account of a new journey or maybe because you're moving to a new direction. It's not easy to handle always, but then you have to open the door, you have to move forward and you have to look to the future. You cannot just be sitting on your haunches and thinking about what has been or what may not have been, because the fool is on a journey and you have to move forward. The lessons and the learning that you're getting in this point in time are going to awaken you. Maybe you have to unlock the mysteries. For some of you, I'm also picking up that there could be gossip because, like we say, we eavesdrop and people may be eavesdropping your conversation or they may be talking about you behind your back. So behind closed doors, you don't know what's going on. That is something you have to deal with. Next card we have here is animals. I'll just place it here. Alright, animals for pile A, those who have picked the rose quartz. Like I said, animals, maybe you are very empathetic and you're very attuned to what animals are going to communicate to you intuitively. You can pick up what they are trying to relay. Basically, animals are a part of your life's work. They are gentle creatures and they bring out the humane side of your personality. Maybe many of you can also work as a vet, or maybe you can raise funds for animals, or you can be a part of animal rescue shelter as well. For some of you, I'm also picking up that being close to nature will also heal you and it will also lighten your burdens. We have the card options. Basically, it's related to your career, so there are, or even with respect to any aspect of your life, there are certain options that are lying ahead of you. Consider the career possibilities that are open to you, meaning be mindful that there's change on the horizon, so there are options and you're unlocking the door. So if you're moving forward, you may not know which path to proceed, but then you should listen or be open to the possibilities that there are other career choices. Sometimes you may also be feeling that you have very limited options in your career, but then if you will think carefully, you will understand that there are unlimited possibilities. Perhaps you should think outside the box and learn new skills. For some of you, I'm also picking up self-employment could also be an option for you, or maybe you can take up part-time jobs. That is also an option for you. Like we have the Fool card, you have to embrace the journey which you are going through. This is an evolving or a period of evolution for you and a transformation definitely, but then also it talks about moving forward with the options that you have. With respect to your love life, we have stay optimistic about your love life. So in case, Pile, if you have certain boundaries which you have put on yourself, or maybe if you had failures with respect to your love life, you have had unhappy relationships or failed relationships, you still have to keep the faith because there's a power of love which is above everything else. You have to stay positive, that is, and maybe you should visualize that romantic love is worth waiting for, something which is a huge possibility in your life, and have a positive outlook, basically, because when we have a positive outlook, then we attract the opposite sex, or maybe we come across as very attractive to the opposite sex. Those who are already in a relationship, I think that there could be times when there could be some kind of a barrier or communication could be a problem with the relationship. Sometimes you think that the person is closed off because, like I said, the heart chakra needs opening. So you need to embrace the possibility of romantic love, or you maybe try not to snub the person whom you are dating or whom you are romancing, because sometimes you may come across as being very blunt or brash. Maybe you also want your partner to be demonstrative. So both of you need to work on your romantic side and be more flirtatious. Those who are already married, I think you should also be careful because there could be a third person who could provoke you to react, possibly your in-laws as well. For Pile, I'm also picking up that there could also be unwanted attention which is coming your way. Those of you who are in an abusive relationship also, I think that you have the option of moving out about this relationship, and maybe even if you are in an extramarital relationship, maybe you want the relationship to be undercover, or the person in question may want it to remain hush-hush. Sometimes you may also feel that you are made the scapegoat in the relationship. So you need to cut these cords. Interestingly, we have the card, cut your cords, from the angel therapy deck. Ask Archangel Michael to clear any old attachments to fear that stem from past relationships, freeing you from destructive patterns. So in case you're feeling limited, or in case you're feeling as though it's getting claustrophobic in your situation, because it's negativity which is around you, which is affecting your relationships. Even a past life relationship maybe a past relationship is also having a bearing on your current relationship. So you need to cut those cords. Sometimes we may also feel, or we may push away love because we shudder about the possibilities, or maybe you will be thinking about your past failed relationships. Shouldn't fear love, that is. We have the card support. Maybe you need require support with respect to any aspect of your life. Be open to receiving help. Sometimes we are so scared, or we are so inhibited, we don't want to move forward, and we don't want to approach the other person. Maybe the person could assist us with, if you need money assistance, or whether you need child support. Basically, you should allow yourself to be supported rather than close yourself off, or rather than be too guarded. We have the card trust your intuition. Again, the symbology of the keyhole, which is with respect to the door. If you notice closely, this is a keyhole and you're peering out. So the possibilities are enormous if you embrace the journey, if you walk forward and you move forward into the horizon. There's something beautiful there waiting for us. Basically, you need to follow your heart. The messages which are coming your way are for your highest good. Certainly perspective, or sometimes we need to contemplate a bit deeper. It helps us see things clearly. Maybe if you have made a wrong move and you're being a bit hard on yourself because of the move that you have made in the past, you should realize that we all learn from our mistakes, and we definitely grow to be better souls because of these mistakes. Besides, failures are a stepping stone to success. Nobody has succeeded without failing or without trying. I hope, Pyle, you liked your reading. This is Star with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. Pile B, this is your reading. So those of you who chose the clear quartz, this reading or the messages are just for you. Before I proceed, I would like to add here that Pile B, the clear quartz, this is a crystal which is here. It helps in healing, and it's basically with respect to the crown chakra. So you need to work on your crown chakra, Pile B. The first card we have here is High Priestess. The High Priestess certainly talks about surprises and gains that are waiting for you. Maybe there's also going to be excess activity at this time when you stumble upon this reading. Besides, there could also be excess communication. Basically, you'll be called upon to be up and about. Perhaps even you should be mindful of the way you carry on with your speech or something, because sometimes it doesn't hurt to be gentle. You need to get your message across without making those biting remarks. We have the card 10 of Wands. Certainly there are some pressures which you have to deal with. Maybe you are feeling overburdened. Maybe there is too much on your plate. Excess work could also bog us down at times, and you should find time for your family or for your relationships. But then some of you may also be feeling pressured because money could be an issue here. Maybe you think that your pockets aren't deep, or maybe you're without a job. So financial condition could bother you a bit. Besides, it doesn't help that your family may not be keen to your vision about what you want or what you desire for them. Maybe you don't get the support that you're looking for from within your family. There's some tension, but then you could also be hopeful that there could be release of anxiety and tension because everything is cyclic, everything will come to an end. We have the card Queen of Cups. So Queen of Cups, definitely Pile B. Those of you who pick Pile B, you're coming across as a very beautiful lady who's very intuitive, who's also very creative. Maybe you're getting worked up on account of problems at home, but you should understand that these problems will also fade away and fizzle away because, like I said, everything is cyclic. Maybe you should also be open to criticism because sometimes you may be coming across as a very touchy being. You may be getting unnerved or being hassled because of the criticism that is coming your way. We have the card Two of Swords. Certainly you need to use your intuitive abilities or your mental faculties will be helping you out. You're a person who can deliberate. Besides, I think you should take the help of a senior person, maybe a family elder or male figure especially. He could help you out with respect to problem solving. Sometimes you may also find yourself as being undecided about which way to proceed, but there could be situations when you have to act immediately. Basically, you are the one who is going to find solutions to problems that may arise. I think Pile B, you'll also be playing the mediatory role. Maybe you're playing the peacemaker. Sometimes you may also feel that people stick to you for guidance and they fail to acknowledge you, or you may feel that it's always you who has to come to the rescue of everybody around. But what bothers you is that people are not going to be supportive of you. We have the card Vegetarian Vegan. I think you're being asked to have a look at your diet. Maybe you need to honor your body, and also you need to increase your intake of high vibrating foods and beverages. Maybe organic and healthy food will do you a world of good. Do away with toxic food stuff like coffee, caffeine, or maybe even those who are drinking a bit too much also need to do away with. Basically, you need to indulge yourself only and have fresh fruits and vegetables and nuts. Besides, they also help in developing our psychic abilities. We have the card Trust with respect to your love life. Pile B, I think you need to trust the situation you're in, maybe have faith, and don't add fear because it will create more drama and negativity. Basically, you need to release the worries and attract the romantic partner you deserve. Besides, faith can move mountains. Pile B, I'm also picking up there are definitely secret admirers for you. Maybe you could floor other people of the opposite sex with your charm. I'm also picking up that maybe you're going to have good discussions with respect to work also with your lover or with your partner. Certainly you will leave several members of the opposite sex heartbroken. Some of you may also put limitations on yourself. Maybe you think that there's the possibility, or maybe you have some feelings for somebody, but then maybe you think that in the long run it may not work out because of the distance with respect to the physical distance. Maybe you're from different communities, or maybe you live in different places. These different backgrounds or social backgrounds and social limitations that you put on yourself could have a bearing on your relationship in the long run. So you think it's better to nip the idea of romance in the bud. But I think you should go with the flow. Those who are also romancing, I think you can have prophetic dreams about your love. Basically, I think you also, in case you're already romancing or already in a marital situation, you should show more affection towards your partner, and you should avoid arguments. Maybe you will be thinking that he is inattentive or your partner is inattentive to you. Sometimes I think you'll also be rattled because you think your in-laws never acknowledge you, or they never think that whatever you do is good enough. I think some of you, I'm also picking up that you may be dealing with an ex-flame, or you may be thinking about an abusive partner. We have the card Chills, Confirmation. Basically, whatever feelings you're having, you're getting goosebumps with respect to whatever you're thinking about right now. So you should honor those feelings and intuitive sensations that are coming into your body, because these are the messages that your angels and your higher self is reaching out to you, and it's confirming whatever you have in mind. So follow those intuitive feelings rather than disregard them. We have the card breaking barriers. Certainly, pile B, you need to look up and look out there. You have to move forward and you have to break those barriers which are limiting you. Maybe we put limitations on ourselves which you will understand which are totally futile or unnecessary. I think, pile B, you need to break yourself, and you should free yourself from whatever is holding you back and push the envelope and move forward and keep going. Basically, it could get a bit messy and chaotic as well, but at times because of breaking ahead or forging ahead. But you need to do that if you want emotional fulfillment or if you want to move forward and proceed in your life. A career option for pile B is counseling, which we have here. Counseling, maybe you're someone who's got a lot of empathy for other beings. You may be coming across as someone who's a very good counselor, a healer, or a teacher. Maybe you heal with your kind words or your words of wisdom. Possibly you may be a wise owl, and people look forward to having conversations with you in case they are between the devil and the deep sea. They'll open up to you, and this certainly gives you a sense of emotional fulfillment. I think for some of you, your life purpose could also involve being a teacher of some kind, or maybe being being a spiritual guru. That is also some kind of healing which you are involved in. We have the card author. Pile B, there's a book inside you, and you need to pen your thoughts down because it could help you express yourself more beautifully and creatively. Maybe your words of wisdom which you are always talking about needs to be written. So perhaps you need to turn a new page. Perhaps you have already had a thought of writing a book. So this is a time when you need to hone your skills as a writer, and you should not let go of this opportunity. We have the card stretch. Archangel Raphael is asking you to go outdoors. Maybe you need to stretch your limbs or stretch your imagination also, because it's a possibility that you're limiting yourself mentally. Maybe you can do yoga or exercise, or maybe some of you may also be teaching yoga and helping others de-stress. That is also a possibility. Largely, I think, pile B, you need to come out of your comfort zone, and this will heal you emotionally as well. The next card we have here is dietary change. I think, pile B, you need to, like I said, the card vegan or vegetarianism also came up in this reading. So this is the card right here. So again, it talks about dietary changes is necessary for pile B in case you want to improve on your overall health and well-being. Basically, you have to focus on organic foods, like I said earlier in this reading. Maybe a positive and healthful change in diet will help you eliminate all the toxins, or maybe you are also allergic to certain foods, and also you need to eliminate those unhealthy foods from your system. We have this from Archangel Michael. You created this situation and you have the power to change it. So in case you find yourself in a not so good situation, or in case you find yourself being paralyzed because of the circumstances you're in, then you should not blame others, because sometimes we ourselves are to blame for the situation. Maybe you should have an honest discussion with yourself, or in case you have issues with somebody, then you may as well spell out whatever it is that is bothering you in the situation, so that it will help you heal. Lastly, we have the card crystal healing. So pile B, I think that you need to work with crystals. Maybe in some kind, crystals will help you, or you may be needing to read up on crystal healing to understand crystals better. Perhaps you should delve deeper into the subject and research on it, and it will help you amplify your natural abilities as well. Some of you may be working with crystals. Maybe you're in the massage business, or you're a master. Maybe even energy healing work. Others of you, I think, maybe if you're doing some art and craft with respect to thing, then you should consider including crystals in it. Basically, you should listen and be guided to pick whatever you are attracted to, even if you are doing crystal healing or the like. So like clear quartz is something which helps you heal. It makes your thought clearer, so that if you are using or if you are working with clear quartz, then you will be definitely working on your crown chakra, the Sahasrara chakra, 7th chakra, and violet is the color. Even amethyst can be used, so it will bring about an awakening moment in you. I think at this point in time also, when you're having this reading, those kinds of awakening situations are coming into your life, or this is like the light bulb moment, the eureka moment which you are going through. And you should listen to it and honor it rather than disregard it completely. I hope, Pile B, you liked your reading. These were the angels, the messages which your angels wanted to convey to you. We also have other pick a card readings, so maybe you can have a look at that as well. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.